In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an email in Outlook. If you need a paper copy of an important message for your records, for a meeting, or simply for easier reading, Outlook makes the process very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Outlook is open, go to your Mail section. This is the area where all of your inbox messages and folders are displayed. If Outlook opens somewhere else, such as your calendar or contacts, just switch back to Mail before continuing. Next, find the specific email you want to print. You can scroll through your inbox, check another folder if needed, or use the search bar if the message is hard to find. Once you locate the email, click on it so it opens. This is important because you want to make sure you're printing the exact message you need. After the email is open, look for the three dots, which represent the More Options menu. This menu usually contains additional actions you can take with the message. Click the three dots to expand the list of options. From that menu, choose Print. Outlook will then take you to the Print Preview or Print Settings screen, depending on the version of Outlook you're using. This is the stage where you can review how the email will look on paper before you actually print it. Here, feel free to customize your print settings. For example, you may be able to choose your printer, select the number of copies, adjust the page layout, or decide which pages to print if the message is long. Taking a moment to check these settings can help you avoid wasting paper or printing the wrong format. Once everything looks right, click Print. Your email will then be sent to the selected printer. As a quick tip, if the email contains long message threads, images, or formatting that doesn't look quite right in the preview, review it carefully before printing. That can help ensure the final printed version is clean and easy to read. And that's it. That's how to print an email in Outlook. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat anytime you need a hard copy of a message.